Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Sharon and I do beauty and fashion videos. So if you want to know more about it, please hit the subscribe button down below. It will definitely mean a lot to me. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started, shall we? Ladies out there, we know that hair is the biggest asset and we need to take care of it. Today what I'm going to teach you is a very natural way of taking care, that is the flaxseed.
Okay, I'm just gonna start off by adding 1 to 2 teaspoon of flax seeds in 1 to 2 cups of water, just boiling it off nicely for 15 minutes, and after 15 minutes it will definitely change into a nice gel like consistency, as you could see here. At this point of time, I'm just going to turn off the gas and let it cool down. So when it cools down, it will definitely harden up a bit more. At this point of time, I'm just going to separate the gel from the seeds, and that's it. For application, all you need to do is wear an old t-shirt and also make sure that your hair is tangle free. Now I'm adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of castor oil into the mixture and just mixing it nicely, making sure that it is all well combined with the gel for easy application. Okay, now I'm just sectioning my hair into 4 and applying the gel all over my hair. I'm concentrating more on my ends because I have a lot of split ends. Since this gel is rich in vitamin E and omega fatty acid, it is very nourishing for your hair and it also helps to repair the split ends as well. Now I'm just parting my hair and making sure that I apply the gel all over my scalp and behind my head as well. Okay, now I'm just massaging it in my head, which is the best feeling ever, and also making sure that it is all recording. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it into a bun, let it sit in my head for 30 minutes, and I'm done.
So yeah, what I really like about this mask is it is very nourishing and it is a natural conditioner for your hair. It keeps your hair very healthy, and the best part of it is it really grows your hair longer in a very short period of time. Trust me, in a very short period of time. See guys, it is very cost efficient and you can easily get flax seeds everywhere in the market, right? So you definitely need to try this out. It really helps you guys and you will definitely fall in love with it. There are a lot of things that can be done with flax seeds. People use it as a shampoo as well. It is very rich in vitamin E and it is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. As you could see, the gel consistency itself will be very shining. As soon as you apply it in your hair, you will definitely feel the coolness, settling in your hair, and it is very good. Do try this at home and let me know how it worked for you. And there are a lot of other videos which I have also done. Do check it out as well. And yeah, until next time, bye.